4-inch, and then we need an 8-inch for the basement.
That's what he's telling me.
No,
Yeah.
we can use the almost similar, the 516.
All right, but that's a 4-inch beam. You're giving me an 8-inch.
Yeah.
What do you want to use?
I want to use the 516.
And the other thing is, where are those? Oh, those are the. Oh, I see where your angles are. I see where your angles are. Those are angles or those plates?
Yeah.
Are they plate angles or are they plates?
They're welded, yeah.
Plates
No,
or
angle.
Okay. All right. All right. Really, that's not necessary for where you, unless you're going to put them underneath the joist along the front wall. Otherwise, it's not necessary because you're going underneath a main beam. And then if you put a hole in the.
Yeah, and like you say,
That's right.
it's not necessary.
That's right.
I agree.
But
Okay.
this is 4-inch. You're going to use 8-inch
Yeah, 516. I got the picture
thickness.
right
Yeah.
here.
But
Depth.
depth,
Right
depth.
now, it's a 4-inch beam, and he's going, and he's, this is a 4-inch, and he's proposing an 8-inch.
Yes. The depth. That's the height. Yeah.
That's a W4 by 13.
Yep. 4-inch. Yep. Looking at this, any question you have for him?
No. No. When you put the plates on, were those welded on before you got them up there?
Yeah, the plate was very well. The only thing we weld was the between the beam and the plate. Do you see it?
Okay, yep.
In the
What I
angle.
don't like is that the butt joint is not over the, it's off the edge of the thing. It should be in the center, but it,
Can you use your measuring tape to point out. That should be in the center, right?
that should be here.
Yeah, that should be in the center.
That's right.
It's a little bit to the right.
Yep.
Yep. Is it okay if you don't see the flooring? I have a picture of the flooring, I believe.
Yeah, other than that,
And 516, right? That's I'm talking the guy who fabricated the beam.
Yeah.
Right now, Ralph. Yeah. I'm here with the architect and the owner. The beam we're using over there for 385 Union Street. Which one it is?
631.
W 6 by 31 or 8 by 31?
631.
So it's a 6-inch beam, not an
Yeah.
8-inch beam.
Yeah, 6-inch.
So we're going to use 6-inch.
I'm gonna have to check that. Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
All right.
And the flooring, like I said, I know that it's all sealed now. Does that matter? I know you have your way of.
This is bolted 4 screw. 8-inch screw. And this one is like this.
Yeah. I
The-
can't see it.
This one is bolted to the wall.
All right. Okay, I gotta run some numbers because this is different. What he gave you for a sketch is not what the guy's telling you.
Yeah. The
6-inch.
516 is in the door ring.
Right, but the depth.
The depth is 8 inches.
Inches.
It's supposed to be 6
6
inches.
inches.
Yeah.
So if he's gonna give you 6 by 31, and I gotta run the numbers for 6 by 31.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
But the weight is the weight is 31 per square
Approximately a
foot.
foot, yes.
Yeah. Plus we put in this 4x4
Yep.
quarter inch.
If you're telling me that that's cheaper, I'm not gonna argue with you.
Okay.
Okay? But to me, it's more expensive, but if that's it, that's what you want, that's what we can do.
All right.
All right, I gotta run some numbers for this, all right?
Okay.
Any other question?
No.
All right.
You're gonna.
But
look
how
at-
you like this? How you like it?
It's a common, like, other than it has to be centered,
Yes.
where the connection user, see how it's a little bit to the right?
Yeah.
It has to be centered.
Should be centered.
Yeah. Right now it's a little bit to the right. Yeah.
You don't have a lot of load up there, so I'm not gonna lose any sleep on that.
Yeah.
There's not much. What do you?
Nothing. It's nothing.
It's a roof. That's
a
it.
little bit of roof. That's not a big deal. We're not doing this anyway. We're doing something a little different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You know
Yeah,
that.
but we're going to screw it to the.
Yeah, but we're gonna be butting joint to joint. We're not gonna be welding these joints up like this.
Okay. So we got.
We don't have to.
Yeah. Only joint to joint. That's,
right,
it.
that's
Okay.
right.
Yeah, I
No,
agree.
we're not welding that joint. We're just butting it up.
Okay.
Right next to each other.
That's
No
right.
welding.
Next to each
There's
Okay.
no need to. It's not necessary.
Okay.
And the reason is
Because you're going from one point to another point to another point. You're not making this thing continuous like what you have here.
This is continuous,
Yes,
whereas
that's right.
down there, it's,
You're breaking it apart.
yeah. We can break it apart there, so just one next to another is
Because you
fine.
have, you're stuck
Yeah,
with
because
8
nothing
inches.
is gonna be matched.
That's right. You're stuck with 8 inches.
Yeah.
I mean, you're stuck with an 8-foot length because you can't get that in there longer than that
Yeah.
because of the bulkhead.
Yeah.
All right, let me run some numbers for you, all right?
All right.
Okay.